Ay ma'am, pwede ko po
Yes, pwede.
ano po parang pangalan?
My name is Trisha Laren.
Ano pong session?
So, ano po, hindi English.
Ito lang po sana yung handa namin katanungan. What inspired you to take the verse on the foundation of special and inclusive education?
Okay, so dahil nga BTVD students tayo, so syempre, dito na-inspired na rin tayo na-inspired ko na maging teacher in the future. So syempre, dahil nga may balak ako mag sa future, is kailangan kong i-take, kailangan ko i-take itong course na to dahil nga maganda siya and parang din siya sa mga students ko, especially sa may encounter ko sa future.
Sir, pwede kong matanong ko anong major niyo and name?
I'm Dandel from BTBT 3C.
Sakto. So, pwede po ba ma-interview and ito yung tanong? Can you briefly explain what special and inclusive education means?
For me, yung special and inclusive education is, ayun nga, parang mas magiging open lahat ng mga students or mga LGBT, for example, yan. Pwede silang mag-take ng any course na gusto nila.
So, thank you, Mr. Jensen. Pasok. Ay po ma'am, pwede po ba kayo may ano po pang pangalan? Ano po yung section niyo? Ito lang po yung tanong namin. What are the key principles or values behind inclusive education?
Yung pagkapantay-pantay ng pag-respeto ng bawat isa para sa mga estudyante.
Thank you po ma'am.
Good day. I'm Francis Jason Rosabert from BTVP 3 and what's your name in section 6?
I am Christian D. Lapidario from BTVP GA Animation.
So, your question. How is the topic of inclusive education reflected in your school environment?
Okay, for me, it reflects well. Okay, paano natin nasabing well? Meron tayo, kapag nag-search tayo sa library, meron tayong braille doon. So, that braille, nakakatulong siya sa mga blind people na makabasa at cope up sa mga normal na estudyante. And sabi ko nga, being a disability isn't a disability. Minsan, naging ability yun sa mga bata natin para mas ma-achieve nila na or mas ma-feel nila na belong sila sa room or sa classroom. So, as a future teacher, kailangan din natin mapat yun and yung inclusive. Ayun, inclusive.
Hi.
Pwede po kayo may
I'm
ano pong section?
BTVP
Meron lang po kami hinandang tanong. Are there any special facilities or support services for students with special needs?
Here sa campus, parang wala pa akong na-encounter na special facilities para sa mga may special activities. But hopefully, if magkaroon, sana yung facilities na yun is masuportahan saka matulungan yung mga may special.
Thank you po ma'am. Ano ma'am, pwede ko ba yung ano pong section? Ano ba? Ito po yung tanong natin. How does your university promote inclusion in classroom and extracurricular activities?
So, in classroom, yung pinapayagan na mag-dress ng pagbabae yung mga gay or part ng LGBT. Also, during sa extracurricular, yung trade test. So, gumawa sila ng competition na kasama yung mga LGBT.
Thank you po ma'am. Ano pong pangalan?
Marabot tayo.
Pwede pong makisabi po. Tanong po na ito, number 7. What are some eye-opening lessons or concepts you've learned in this course so far?
Yung magiging open-minded sa mga perception na meron yung bawat students and teachers.
And also, parin na din yung mga students ko and yung other people kasi may pare-pares ng perspective and opinion. So, dapat alam parang neutral din.
Thank you, Miss Amara. And ano nga po palang section nyo in program?
EDPTC with the service management.
Thank you. Thank you.
So, good day. I'm Francis Lamuza Perez from BTBT 3P. So, what's your name and section?
My name is Sergio Villan from BTPA Admission.
So, that's really questions. Can you share a meaningful activity or project you've done related to inclusive education?
Project has done related to inclusive education is back when I was grade 7 or 8. We had a project about a poster making, and the thesis was about inclusivity as well. So we as a group, we thought about a design for it, and we eventually developed a design, and we finished the poster itself and passed it. And fortunately, it was good for the grade. And yeah, it's about inclusivity. The poster was about inclusivity that we made, and not just about the disabled people, but also about the people with different perspectives and opinions about themselves, and different different views of certain things in life, and also beliefs and religion.
Thank you. So, good day. I'm Francis Lamuza Perez from BTBT 3P. So, what's your name and section?
My name is Rafael D. Miguel from ETBT Animation.
So, ito po yung question niyo. How has this course changed your perspective on teaching and learning?
Nag-change yung perspective ko dahil nga sa nalaman ko na hindi nga pantay-pantay yung mga tao, and some people have disabilities and problems of their own. So, nagbago siya na hindi ko dapat isipin na lahat ay pantay-pantay, at dapat bigyan natin ng pagbigyan natin ng pag-iisip yung mga gagawin natin para sa iba't ibang mga tao.
Ano po pang mga niyo?
Maurice College Finance.
Ano pong section?
BTBT 3P.
Kung meron na po kami nilandan ka pa, ito po yung tanong. How do you see yourself applying what you learned?
Just for example, may nakasalubong ako na may disability. So, pwede ko siyang tulungan. Hindi ako bigay sa tulungan niya kasi as a student or teacher education, hindi na ako mag-sharing knowledge. Just for example, meron siyang gusto matutunan sa pagluluto kahit hindi niya naman kaya or gusto niya wala. Pwede ko siyang tulungan. And for example, meron tayong mga big disabilities na kasi hindi kaya pumasok sa schools na hindi inclusivity. Pwede ko silang gawin update ko rin sa yung natutunan natin.
Ma'am, excuse po, pwede po yung matanong. And ano muna pong major niya and pangalan?
FSM.
Thank you po. So ito po yung tanong. Why do you think inclusive education is important in today's society?
Importante para sa inclusive education kasi ayun, equal sa lahat, tapos lahat nabibigyan ng opportunity.
Thank you po, Miss AD.
So, good day. I'm Francis Lamuza Perez from BTBT 3P. So, your name and section?
My name is Clement Josh Pangilinan from BTBT Animation.
So, ito po yung question. What challenges do educators face when trying to implement inclusive education, and how can they overcome them?
Challenges. I think one of the challenges, first of all, is funding. Funding for these new curriculums, for these support structures and drills, such as the fences, the railings, to hold on as they go up the stairs, and also ramps. What else? Elevators, especially elevators, because those are really expensive. So I think another challenge is that creating the curriculum itself so that it includes all students of different learning styles and methods. So we're not just people are not just based on one learning style. So we all have different learning styles. Some people have more physical capabilities than others, while others have more cognitive and reading comprehension, critical thinking than others. So I think being flexible with the curriculum is quite hard to do, since you have to consider all these different aspects of what do they need to learn, how will you conduct the activities and such. And finally, another challenge is that wait, I have it in my mind. Yung ano na lang, culture and traditions nila. They have to take that into consideration, since pwede silang ma-offend. So that's why it's so hard to create this curriculum, since you also have to consider that to avoid getting misunderstandings and such.
Thank you, sir.
Ano po pangalan niya? So, pangalan is Joey Tapos. Major and FSM. Thank you. So, ang tanong natin is, if you could describe this course in one word or emoji, what would it be and why?
Siguro, kung describe siya in one word is equal. Kasi yung sa program mo to is parang tinuturuan tayo kung paano i-treat yung mga individual na same or walang bias. So,
Thank you. And yun lang. Thank you.
So, good day. I'm Francis Perez from BTBTE 3P, CCT. So, what's your name and section?
I'm Jonathan Gallego from BBPE.
So, ito po yung question. What's one about special or inclusive education you'd like to
So, one of the things that inclusive education is free to all. So, lahat nakaka-access no matter what type of religion you are in, and kung anong indigenous people ka man, or you have physical disabilities, or kaya meron kang autism, open access yun for all para makapag-aral and magkaroon ng pantay-pantay na education system na yun yung inclusive education.
Thank you, sir.